So, as adults, individuals suffering through an emotional disconnection develop and display maladaptive coping behaviors following a breakup, such as rumination, proximity seeking, and even stalking the ex-partner. Anxious attachment hinders adaptive acceptance of a breakup, as evidenced by heightened desires and attempts to regain the lost partner. That's why you see peers saying, if they seek a rebound relationship, it might help to repair their self-esteem. And then you see the other three authors saying that if you seek a rebound relationship, it might help that partner to detach from an ex-partner. Again, I don't necessarily agree with rebound relationships. They have been painful and toxic in my life, but I can understand the need of a partner to try to keep pulling at an ex-partner, right? The need of a man or the need of a woman to try to keep pulling at that ex-partner because the person is resisting reuniting. And again, that goes back to childhood. The adult partner that you see today, adult male or adult female, pulling at an ex-partner has probably a lot to do with that same person pulling at a mother who resisted them, who resisted responding to the person. To resolve anxiety, the research suggests that people can get the benefits of the rebound relationship, but without the relationship itself. So we all know that you're not going to marry your rebound or convert a rebound relationship into a long-term relationship. It's highly unlikely. I'm quite sure there are exceptions to the rule, but it's highly unlikely. So what I think Spielman is suggesting that maybe going out on a date, seeking a rebound and dating, while you are getting over the relationship. But we all know that the rebound relationship is really not going to convert. Focusing on a new relationship may help the person to develop an adaptive part of the breakup recovery process. So it puts the person in activity mode. They have understood that the relationship is not reconcilable, and so they know that they need to move forward. And so going back or getting back out on the dating scene might help them to be more psychologically adaptive or hopeful that they can form a new relationship.